Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Zena is here. She's super excited. Is that you excited, Z? Wyatt's here. Yes, yes, yes. Say hi to everybody. You always look so surprised. Yes, say hi. So, first I have to apologize for my voice and my red nose and possibly runny nose here as well as we get into this video. I seem to have caught some sort of a cold. Hopefully my medication kicks in soon and it goes away quickly, but sorry, I am a little bit under the weather, but I wanted to bring you a video today because I'm really excited. I've had this package for a couple days and I didn't want it to sit here any longer without getting a chance to share it with you. So thank you for joining me. So happy you're here. Welcome to my channel, and let's do this. So today's video is a Bolzano handbag subscription unbagging. I'm really excited. Bolzano is a handbag subscription. It's handbag and accessory subscription service. You do fill out a profile, and for, I believe it is 20, let me make sure, 33. It's $33.95 a month. You get a purse, which could be cowhide leather, vegan leather, or nylon, as well as a matching fashion accessory, which is valued at $250. And you get that every month. So, I'm going to dig in here and see what is in here. They've also just started something new that you can also add to your subscription called the Purse Companions. And that cost is $10 per month, or you can also do your subscription quarterly. It says it's $8 if you pay quarterly, plus free shipping for the Purse Companions. So check out my cute little bag here. I can't wait to check this out. I'm so excited. I love Bolzano handbags. I think they're so cute. They're always, well, so far all of my bags have been so nicely made, and I've enjoyed all of them. Oh, wait till you guys see this. This is so pretty. And I do always ask for totes because the bag that I usually carry on a daily basis is small. So the totes that I usually get that I use for work when I need to carry more stuff. Look how pretty this bag is. Is that not gorgeous? So this is like a blue-gray color. This is so pretty. With the tan, it looks like leather handles. And I see I also have my accessory for this month is jewelry. We'll get that out in just a minute. It does have this really nice zipper in the back. And I also see it has a little extra little attachment here as well with a little heart. Is that not cute? It has the little B for their logo, the Bolzano logo. Bolzano is, the owner of Bolzano is a woman named Leilani, who has hand designs all of these bags. And I think this one is just gorgeous. I'm loving this bag. It's so pretty. Let's check out the inside. I also want to check out the accessory. All right, let's check the inside of the bag out first. I'm like Wyatt with a toy. I don't know where to go first whenever we do his BarkBox videos. Oh, check this out. So this inside of this bag is so nice. I could so use this for a laptop bag. So let me just show you. There's the inside of this with stuff in it. So as I mentioned, they have started this new purse. Make sure I call it the right thing, right? It's called the Purse Companions, right? Yeah, the Purse Companions, which is what I believe this is. We'll dig into this in just one moment for an extra $10 a month. Let's get the stuffing out of here, and look how much room is in there. There is a zipper pocket right here at this side, which is pretty nice size. My whole hand fits in there. And then there's also two pockets right here. Very, very nice. I'm going to cough, guys. Sorry. And then these handles are so nice. I will cut those off in just one moment here. I'm just going to get my scissors. Get this off. I can show you what this looks like. And if you, I will put this information all down below. If you do sign up and you use the code LITTLEBOXGIFT and you put LITTLEBOXGIFT in the search box, you'll also get a free gift when you sign up for a new subscription. So sorry. One moment. Okay, so, and the closure here is a magnet. So you do just close it right up. And this is what it looks like. So that is so pretty. I'm loving this color for spring. I think this is a nice little touch as well. So I think sometimes it's the little extras that really make the bag. And this is really cute. I love the zipper in the back here as well. Such a pretty bag. Okay, and next let's look at these the accessories for the month. Oh, which are an earrings and necklace set that look like little flowers. Let me show you what that looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that in silver. So they're little studs. And then a little necklace. Let's see how long this necklace is, if I can get it out here. I wear my other necklace. I have a necklace and bracelet set, and I wear it all the time. I really like it. It's X's and O's. Let's see if I can get this on for you guys. That's cute. Yeah, that's really cute. All right, let me hurry and see if I can get these little studs in as well. We'll try everything on, and then we'll check out the purse companions to see what you get as an extra. I think that's something neat to be added. She does offer different subscriptions. If you check out the site, there are other offerings as well. But the one I'm showing you is the one that is $33.95 a month for the purse and the accessories. So those are cute. Very cute. Okay, let's check out the purse companion. So it comes in this nice little box. Let's see if I can get it out easily. Zena's interested now. It says Purse Companions, a Desi eyeshadow palette, a beauty blender, and moisturizing gloves. If you guys can see that, that's what I just read right there. So, oh, this is an even easier way to read it. So, 2-piece set, eye and face, the beauty blenders. Here is the eye palette, the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to get this out of here just so you guys can see the colors a little bit better. Check that out. Those are some nice shades. Yeah, there you go. Those are nice. Very, very nice. And then this must be the gloves. Moisturizing gloves. Moisturize your hands, soothe and soft moisturizing gel gloves. Check those out. It says revitalize your hands in 20 minutes. Moisturizing gel gloves surround dry skin and moisturize to soothe and soften. Use alone or with your favorite lotion. Perfect for soothing dry, rough hands. Good for up to 250 uses. 250 uses. Pretty cool. This is one pair in here, and it gives you instructions on how to use them. That's cool. Huh, Zena? So that's pretty cool. I don't think that's bad for an extra $10. That's pretty cool. So that is my subscription for this month. I think, yeah, I think these are cute. The accessories are cute. And I'm loving this bag. And for $33.95, I think that's a pretty good price. So I will definitely put all of my information below. So I will put the link to the Bolzano website, and I will also include my code, LITTLEBOXGIFT, that if you put that in the search box, then you will get a free gift. And I believe the free gift is a value of up to, I think it's up to, I'm trying to find my note here, up to, is it $45? Yeah, up to $45. And the value of the bags are up to $250. So not a bad subscription, I don't think. So far, I've had great luck with the bags that I have received. So I'm really enjoying the subscription. I think it's super fun. And I do like the bigger bags because I can throw my small crossover bag right inside these for whenever I travel. So my preference is the bigger bags whenever I get these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had lots of fun. I'm excited about the purse companions too for an extra $10. They seem like fun. I use the beauty blenders all the time, and this shadow palette is really nice because of the neutrals. So thanks so much for joining me. I'm sorry about the scratchy voice and the coughing. I apologize, but I hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome day. Please consider hitting that like button. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and join all the fun. Zena's ready for some treats. And Wyatt is trying to figure out what is going on. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.